Hello, it's John from Currencies. This is week number 322, and the first chart that we're going to go over today is the euro dollar. We had a total of 24 trades, 12 losers, 12 winners for a 50% winning percentage, and a plus 158 pips for the week. Our first trade was a gray dot long at 142.41. We were stopped out at 30 pips at 142.11. We had a black long at 142.31. We took that out to a break even of the red dot, opposite direction. Red dot validated at 142.31. Here again, this particular order was stopped out at a minus 30 pips. Our next order was a breakout at 143.62, and after 20 candles we exited for a minus 28 at 143.35. In the meantime, we had a blue dot in the same direction at 143.35. Took that to the black dot validation at 143.51 for a plus 16. By the way, this gray dot over here we ignore because of our breakout rule. Our blue dot at 143.51. Our black dot short here at 143.51. We took that out to 10 candles and exited at 143.24 for a plus 27. We had the next time over, we had a blue dot long at 143.24, and we took that out to MACD cross at 143.78 for a plus 54. We had a gray dot short at 143.93. Here again at MACD cross, we exited at 144.00 for a minus 7. Blue dot long at 143.90. Also a gray dot long at 143.69. Both exited on the black dot at 143.94 for a plus 4 and a plus 25. Another reason that we stayed in this particular trade is as MACD never crossed back up into positive territory. No need to exit. We had no MACD cross, all negative here. Then we finally went into positive, and a MACD cross ended over here, but we got the dot first. We also had a breakout at 144.13, and that went to 20 candles for a minus 29 at 143.84. We did have a black dot long at 143.79 and exited at this dot on validation at 144.00 for a plus 21. The black dot short at 144.00, all the way down to the gray dot validation at 143.25 for a plus 75. Now here's where it gets sort of interesting. We have a nice downtrend also on the nice downtrend going on here. We have a gray dot that pops up, which is a very low probability trade, but seeing as we talk about all trades, whether they're good or bad, we took this trade and after 6 candles exited for a minus 15. As you see, the market continues to go down. We have a black dot, another lower probability trade at 142.78. After 8 candles we exited this one for a minus 33. Here we could have saved ourselves 48 pips on the overall pip total for the week, which would have taken us up over 200 pips for the 200 pips for the week. But anyway, this black dot was stopped. We exited after 8 candles for a minus 33. We had a red dot short, which we were stopped out after 30 pips. Gray dot short at 142.50 after 5 candles, market going nowhere. We exited this trade for a minus 13. We had a gray dot long at 142.60 after 6 candles. We took it off the table for a minus 5, and we had a reversal at long at 142.12, and also a black dot at 142.45. Both of them exited on this long candle. This candle here, if we go back in time throughout the entire day, no candle was longer than this 50 some pip candle here, so we use this as an exit long candle at 143.02 for a plus 90 and a plus 58. This particular breakout at ignored the red dot at 142.83. We were stopped out at a minus 60. We had a gray dot long at 142.20, and after 5 candles exited at 142.09 for a minus 11. And then the last trade of the week was black dot long at 141.84 after 8 candles, exited at a plus 6 at 141.90. And we have a red dot short going into the weekend, and we just received another red dot since this is Sunday the 26th, another red dot short. Alright, it's John from Currencis. This was the euro dollar weekly review number 322. Thank you.